Hey there, seekers of serenity. Welcome to a journey through time, where ancient wisdom meets modern mayhem. This your channel, Astro Stoic Wisdom, and I am your host, Deepankar Biswas. Today we're diving deep into 10 timeless Buddha teachings that are more relevant than ever in 2024. In a world of constant notifications, political turmoil, and AI anxiety, finding peace can feel like searching for a silent moment at a rock concert. But what if I told you that teachings from over 2,500 years ago could be your ticket to tranquility? Before we begin, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Trust me, your future Zen self will thank you. Now, let's embark on this transformative journey together. Teaching 1. Mindfulness, the antidote to digital distraction. In the age of smartphones and constant connectivity, Buddha's teaching on mindfulness is more crucial than ever. Mindfulness, at its core, is the practice of being fully present and engaged in the current moment, without judgment. In 2024, we're bombarded with notifications, emails, and social media updates. Our attention is fragmented, leading to increased stress and decreased productivity. Mindfulness serves as a powerful antidote to this digital overwhelm. Recent studies, such as one published in the Journal of Medical Internet Research in 2024, have shown that regular mindfulness practice can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression in heavy social media users. The study found that participants who practiced mindfulness for just 10 minutes a day reported a 30% decrease in feelings of anxiety related to social media use after 8 weeks. Practical application. Start with a simple 5-minute daily mindfulness practice. Use mindfulness apps like Headspace or Calm for guided sessions. Practice tech-free periods during your day. Implement mindful browsing. Be intentional about when and why you're using digital devices. By cultivating mindfulness, we can regain control over our attention, reduce stress, and find moments of peace amidst the digital chaos of 2024. Teaching 2. The Middle Way, balancing act in an extreme world. Buddha's teaching of the middle way is a principle of moderation between extremes. In our polarized world of 2024, where social media algorithms often push us towards extreme viewpoints, this teaching offers a path to balance and wisdom. The middle way isn't about being neutral or indifferent. Instead, it's about finding a balanced approach that avoids the pitfalls of extremism. This principle can be applied to various aspects of modern life. In politics, seeking common ground and understanding different perspectives instead of adhering to rigid ideologies. In personal habits, finding balance between work and leisure, digital engagement and real-world experiences. In consumption, balancing between asceticism and overconsumption. A recent example of the middle way in action is the 2023 bipartisan infrastructure bill in the U.S. Despite deep political divisions, lawmakers from both parties found common ground on critical issues, demonstrating that progress is possible when we avoid extremes. Practical application. Practice active listening to understand opposing viewpoints. Seek out diverse sources of information to challenge your own biases. In conflicts, look for win-win solutions rather than all-or-nothing outcomes. Regularly reassess your beliefs and be open to changing your mind. By embracing the middle way, we can navigate the complexities of modern life with greater wisdom and less conflict. Teaching 3. Impermanence. Embracing change in a rapidly evolving world, Buddha taught that everything is in a constant state of flux. In 2024, with rapid technological advancements and global shifts, this teaching is more relevant than ever. Accepting impermanence can help us navigate change with grace and reduce anxiety about the future. Consider the rapid evolution of AI technology. What seemed like science fiction a few years ago is now part of our daily lives. By understanding impermanence, we can approach these changes with curiosity rather than fear. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Positive Psychology found that individuals who scored high on measures of accepting impermanence showed greater resilience in the face of job losses due to automation. They were more likely to view the change as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat. Practical application. Practice mindfulness to observe the constantly changing nature of your thoughts and feelings. Embrace lifelong learning to adapt to new technologies and job markets. Cultivate a growth mindset that views challenges as opportunities. Regularly declutter your physical and digital spaces to practice letting go. By embracing impermanence, we can become more adaptable and resilient in the face of 2024's rapid changes. Teaching 4. Compassion. The antidote to online hatred. In an era marked by online vitriol and cyberbullying, Buddha's teachings on compassion offer a powerful counterforce. Compassion involves recognizing the suffering of others and feeling motivated to help alleviate it. The online world can often feel like a battlefield of opinions, but compassion has the power to transform these interactions. A 2023 study by the Pew Research Center found that social media posts expressing empathy and compassion were 60% more likely to generate positive engagement than confrontational posts. Practical application. Practice loving-kindness meditation to cultivate compassion. Before responding to a provocative post, pause and consider the other person's perspective. Engage in random acts of kindness online, such as leaving supportive comments or sharing uplifting content. Support and participate in online communities focused on mutual aid and support. By cultivating compassion, we can create a more positive online environment and reduce the negative impact of digital interactions on our mental health. Teaching 5. Non-attachment. Finding freedom in a materialistic world. Buddha taught that attachment to material possessions and outcomes is a source of suffering. In our consumer-driven society of 2024, this teaching offers a path to true contentment. Non-attachment doesn't mean not caring or not having goals. Rather, it's about not letting our happiness be entirely dependent on external factors. This principle is particularly relevant in the age of social media, where constant comparison can lead to feelings of inadequacy and FOMO, fear of missing out. A 2023 study in the Journal of Consumer Research found that individuals who practiced non-attachment reported higher levels of life satisfaction and were less likely to make impulsive purchases or fall into debt. Practical application. Practice gratitude for what you have rather than focusing on what you lack. Before making a purchase, reflect on whether it truly aligns with your values and needs. Regularly declutter and donate items you no longer need. Cultivate experiences and relationships rather than accumulating possessions. By embracing non-attachment, we can find a sense of contentment and freedom that isn't dependent on external circumstances. Teaching 6. Interconnectedness. Unity in a divided world. Buddha taught that all things are interconnected, a principle that's strikingly relevant in our globalized world of 2024. This teaching reminds us that our actions have far-reaching consequences and that we're all part of a larger whole. In the face of global challenges like climate change and pandemics, understanding our interconnectedness is crucial. The COVID-19 pandemic and its aftermath have starkly illustrated how events in one part of the world can rapidly affect the entire globe. A 2023 report by the United Nations highlighted that countries with a strong sense of global interconnectedness were more likely to collaborate on climate change initiatives and achieve better outcomes. Practical application. Educate yourself about global issues and how they affect different communities. Make sustainable choices in your daily life, recognizing the global impact of individual actions. Engage in cross-cultural exchanges and learning. Support businesses and initiatives that prioritize fair trade and ethical practices. By recognizing our interconnectedness, we can foster a sense of global community and work together to address shared challenges. Teaching 7. Self-reliance, empowerment in an age of uncertainty. Buddha emphasized the importance of self-reliance, encouraging his followers to be islands unto themselves. In 2024, with job markets evolving rapidly and AI reshaping industries, this teaching offers a path to empowerment and resilience. Self-reliance doesn't mean isolation or refusing help. Instead, it's about developing inner resources and taking responsibility for our own growth and well-being. This principle is especially relevant as traditional career paths become less certain and the gig economy expands. A 2023 report by the World Economic Forum found that workers who exhibited high levels of self-reliance were 40% more likely to successfully navigate career transitions in the face of automation. Practical application. Invest in continuous learning and skill development. Cultivate a diverse skill set to increase adaptability. Practice problem-solving and critical thinking skills. Build a strong support network while maintaining independence. By embracing self-reliance, we can navigate the uncertainties of 2024 with confidence and resilience. Teaching 8. Karma, responsibility in the age of social media. While often misunderstood, Buddha's teaching on karma is about the law of cause and effect. In 2024, with the permanence of our digital footprints, understanding karma is more crucial than ever. Karma reminds us that our actions have consequences, both for ourselves and others. In the social media age, a thoughtless tweet or Facebook post can have far-reaching effects on our lives and the lives of others. A 2023 study by the Social Media Law Bulletin found that 65% of employers now routinely check job applicants' social media profiles, with 40% reporting that they've rejected candidates based on their online behavior. Practical application. Think before you post. Consider the potential long-term consequences of your online actions. Regularly audit your digital presence and remove or privatize content that doesn't align with your values. Use social media as a tool for positive impact, sharing uplifting and helpful content. Practice digital empathy, considering how your online actions might affect others. By understanding karma in the digital age, we can use social media more mindfully and create a more positive online environment. Teaching 9. Right speech, navigating communication in a post-truth era. Buddha's teaching on right speech emphasizes the importance of truthful, helpful, and harmonious communication. In 2024, with the proliferation of misinformation and online conflicts, this teaching is more relevant than ever. Right speech isn't just about being nice, it's about communicating in a way that's truthful, beneficial, and timely. This principle can guide us in navigating online debates, sharing information, and engaging in difficult conversations. A 2023 study by the Pew Research Center found that social media users who practiced principles similar to right speech, fact-checking before sharing, avoiding inflammatory language, seeking to understand others, reported 50% fewer negative online interactions and higher overall satisfaction with their social media use. Practical application. Fact-check information before sharing it. Practice active listening in online and offline conversations. Use I statements to express opinions without attacking others. Take a pause before responding to provocative content online. By practicing right speech, we can contribute to a more truthful, harmonious online environment and improve our personal relationships. Teaching 10. Present moment. Awareness. Finding Nirvana in the now. Buddha taught that true peace and happiness can only be found in the present moment. In 2024, with our tendency to worry about the future or regret the past, this teaching offers a path to immediate peace. Present moment awareness isn't about ignoring the future or past, but about fully engaging with our current experience. This can be particularly powerful in reducing anxiety about future uncertainties or regrets about past actions. A 2023 study published in the Journal of Happiness Studies found that individuals who regularly practiced present moment awareness reported 35% lower levels of anxiety and 28% higher levels of life satisfaction compared to those who didn't. Practical application. Practice mindfulness meditation to cultivate present moment awareness. Engage fully in daily activities without multitasking. Use sensory awareness exercises to ground yourself in the present. Practice gratitude for the current moment, regardless of circumstances. By cultivating present moment awareness, we can find moments of peace and contentment amidst the chaos of 2024, moving closer to the state of nirvana that Buddha described. Our insights. In conclusion, these 10 teachings of Buddha, while ancient, offer profound wisdom for navigating the complexities of life in 2024. By integrating these principles into our daily lives, we can find greater peace, resilience, and fulfillment in our rapidly changing world. As we wrap up this journey through Buddha's timeless wisdom, remember that these teachings aren't just ancient philosophy. They're practical tools for navigating the complexities of 2024 and beyond. Which of these teachings resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found value in this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content on finding peace in our chaotic world. Remember, in the words of Buddha, peace comes from within. Do not seek it without. Until next time, may you find moments of peace in your busy day. Namaste.